you are here watching this video, probably it's because your Instagram is like mine, sunk in right now. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Hope you're doing well. Today we are not going to paint, but I want to talk to you about one topic that is affecting all of us. And it's about Instagram. I know I talked in the past about my relationship with Instagram. I want to recover that, but also I want to recover my current situation with the application, because probably it has something to be with yours and it's very similar. So the thing is that I'm going to explain you a little bit the situation, you know, where I was, where I'm now. And the thing is that last year, for example, I was growing my account so much, and I had a lot of followers and a lot of likes, and you know, reels had a lot of views. But since the beginning of this year, I have been dropping, you know, my statistics or my insights are dropping, you know, are decreasing, and I had less followers. Even I lost followers every day. I have less reach, I have less likes, my reels have much less views. For example, I had a lot of reels that has more than 2,000 views. Right now, if I am lucky, maybe I have 10,000, you know? So you see the difference of the numbers. My art is still the same. But it's true that I made a few things. One of them is not being super attached to Instagram. Last year I was posting every day. I was making content exclusively for Instagram. That makes me stop producing things for other stuff, for example, for my shop. I was very afraid of posting products of my shop on my Instagram because I knew that they weren't working, so I was going to have less view, less reach, people are going to unsubscribe and this stuff. And I lost, guys, a lot of opportunities to show my shop products, you know, and to make it work, just because I was afraid of losing followers. And right now I'm thinking about that and I think, okay, this is so stupid. Just because having followers is not going to pay your bills, and I'm going to say that so you're going to have it clear. Having followers don't pay your bills because you don't see any penny or euro or dollar of these followers. I mean, but from the app, you know, Instagram is not paying you for having followers. But obviously, if you promote your work, it's probably you can have people that like your work and buy your stuff. So yeah, I lost a lot of opportunities for not losing followers. When I switched my mind last year, I think it was about October, November, I said, okay, it's enough. I don't want to, you know, to continue producing art only for Instagram, you know, for the algorithm, to make it like, to make it suitable, to see if they look fine or not. So last year I started like experimenting a lot with my art, doing other kind of stuff, you know, having fun with my art. That is like the solution, and then posting these results if I wanted on Instagram. From then, you know, everything has going down. My statistics is like right now is like on the ground level. So yeah, basically, I'm not arriving to new people. I'm not having, you know, anything. Right now, my account, basically, I can say is dead. In terms of growing, also very happy of the people that is there. I really love my followers. And I owe them to stay there just because of them, but not because of the app. What I have been thinking all this time, after seeing like the number dropping out, and you know, also this affecting me to my income because my business model were like growing following on Instagram and then trying to touch people to Patreon. But obviously, if I don't have people that comes from Instagram, they are not arriving to Patreon. So basically, the income is like also dropping out. So it arises a moment that you have to think, and if you are in the same situation, maybe you have to do it too. Like, stop 1 second and think about what is the smart way to spend my time. And then I decided that instead of keeping, you know, the latest posts and everything on Instagram, maybe I should do that in other platforms. We are lucky that we have other social medias that works differently from Instagram, that right now it's working very, very bad. So for example, we have YouTube, we have Twitch, we have Twitter, we have Bubble House, that I don't know guys if you know it, but Bubble House is like an app similar to Instagram, but for artists, that you can post your art there. And also it works different, but it's nice to have a place to share your art with the community. And you know, we have, I don't know, Dribble, ArtStation, Reddit. You know, you have a lot of alternative, but I would suggest guys not get attached to all of them, because it will be crazy just posting in every single one. In my brainstorming, I decided that I wanted to focus in 2 main sources. One of these is YouTube. Probably you will notice that I'm posting more videos, that I have been changing, you know, the setup. So I'm trying to improve the quality of the video, the quality of the sound, the consistency of the posting videos. And also what I'm doing, aside from YouTube, that these short videos, I have a Twitch channel where I post, where I do live streams. So yeah, I'm trying to do these kind of changes in my life and trying to be more smarter in terms of how I post and what I post. I can have like people liking my work in other places, not only Instagram. And this is an advice that I wanted to give to you, that please guys, don't base your business in Instagram. Don't do that. Don't do that. Try to think smart and try to, you know, find the best platform for what you want to do. Okay guys, I'm dying. So yeah, see what fits you. I don't know, maybe you want to keep your Instagram to have it like a portfolio and just post all the work you're doing there. Maybe you like to edit videos and, you know, create videos, like draw with me videos or content, you know, talking, whatever guys. It depends on you. Or maybe you enjoy live streaming. I have to say that I enjoy a lot the live streams, and I didn't think of it at the beginning because, you know, I was like very shy, you know, very shy talking to camera and things, so I didn't enjoy it at that moment. But right now I'm enjoying sharing this stuff with you, you know, and asking questions and interacting with you, you know, at the same moment and at the same time, you know, it's like we are connected at that moment. So right now I enjoy a lot live streaming. In fact, I want to increase the live streaming schedule. But yeah, you have to guys try. If you are attached only to one app, it's going to happen what it happened to me, that when the app is not working for you anymore, then the rest of your, you know, income, Patreon, products, you know, shop, they're not going to be profitable for you because it's not going to attract new people. So yeah guys, you have to switch your mind, stop creating things for Instagram. I'm not going to say stop posting. Right now I'm feeling like I want to stop posting there, at least for a while, just disconnect and see what happens when I return. But at the same time, I feel like I can't do that because I have a lot of people there that like my work. Well, I already said that, but I know it's like I have to do that for my followers instead of Instagram, you know, that they don't care about me. I mean, they didn't care about anything of us, never. So why I have to care to keep, you know, this app running? I mean, they don't pay me, so why? We have another sources. Again, try them, see which one fits for you, in which ones you feel comfortable with. Maybe at that point, if you are starting, you are not feeling, you know, very comfortable at that medium, for example, on the live streams, like it happened to me. But I'm sure with time, you're going to enjoy all of this stuff. And another thing that I'm doing for a long time now is that I don't create new art only for Instagram, you know. It's true that sometimes I do draw this in your style because so it's a way for me to, you know, practice, and also when I'm tired of working, I really want to do something quick that I don't have to think about what to do. It's like, you know, something fast that you can do and you have the idea already done and the suggestions. So right now is the only thing I do exclusively for Instagram. The rest of the stuff, I do it for my Patreon, I do it for my shop. There are things that I didn't share yet, but I still working on the background. And I'm feeling, guys, more happier and more productive because I have the feeling that I have control over the situation. And before, I was following Instagram in one direction and I was avoiding the rest. And I think that, guys, you should do that too. So if you are here watching this video, probably it's because your Instagram is like mine, sunk in right now, or you just don't have reach, or don't have, you know, people watching you. Some of you asked me if it would be better to start another account. And I have to be honest, guys, I don't know, but I don't think starting a new account is going to work for you. I mean, it's not a thing about your stuff or your drawing or the account. It's more like Instagram, basically. So instead of spending the time on creating a new account on Instagram, I would suggest to you to create a new account outside Instagram, maybe a Twitter account, maybe a Twitch channel, maybe a YouTube channel, maybe a Pinterest, guys. I don't know if you have Pinterest, but I post there a lot of drawings and a lot of pin ideas that basically are reels and TikTok videos that I made. And I receive a lot of views and a lot of likes there. So Pinterest is not only to watch, but you can share a lot of things there and people also reach to you. So I think it's a social media, I don't know, it's a social media Pinterest, but you know, an app that we have to take in consideration. So also in YouTube, you have the community tab, you have the shorts. You can post videos there. You can post shorter videos, larger videos. I don't know, guys. Maybe what you can do if you feel that Instagram is not working for you, just instead of creating a new account that it's going to take you time, and I'm sure you're going to have the same problem, I think it's better to switch off and start fresh in another platform and see what happens. And with that, guys, hope this video, I mean, it's not very informative, it's just explaining my situation and hoping that if you are in the same situation as I do, or I am, as you start implementing these changes, going outside Instagram, I mean, your Instagram is not going to go better, you know? So yeah, probably go outside Instagram and see and discover new places and new people. And I think in the end, guys, I think it's going to be the best for all of us. So all being said, wish you a nice week and see you again on the next video. Bye bye and keep creating, guys. Bye.